Alright, good evening race fans. Welcome back to Scooter's Garage, SGR Performance. And welcome back to our engine forensics episodes. We're continuing with some more forensics on our little 301 to showcase, the stuff that we found. So we've taken the fuel pump off, we've gotten ready to kind of take some things apart. So let's turn the camera around and let's get after it, shall we? Okay, so we've taken the bolts out, so you guys are going to see this for the first time like we are. And look at that silicone coming out of the bolt. Lord, look at all that silicone. Oh my goodness. Pure silicone, and there's your additional running hot, guys. The thermostat housing's clogged up with silicone, sludge, rust. We're also going to guess and say that it's had intermixed coolant. We've seen this happen when coolants get mixed. That's just bad. Silicone down in the bolt holes. Yeah. So there's your hot running. So we were right. Some silicone got sucked up in there, some sludge, some trash. Even looks like maybe some possible metal shavings mixed up in there. We'll have to scrape some of that gook out of there and see what it is. But let's set him back in place for a minute. And let's come down here to the harmonic balancer. Put a little light on it. And notice the rubber inertia ring. Do you see the problem? Look right there. That's a problem, guys. So let's see if I can get this off with my bare hands. Yeah, that harmonic balancer has seen better days. Okay. So we've already taken the oil pan bolts out on the timing cover. So let's bust these timing let's go up to the valve cover. So you guys are going to see this with us for the first time. So if it's anything like the other side, you know what to expect. And we've removed the bolts, and oh yeah, there we go. It's siliconed in place. Look at that. Look at that. Silicone. Well, there's something clear on there, so it looks like glue. And more silicone. Silicone. Looks like they tried to glue two gaskets together again. And let me grab my light once more. And just like on the other side, everybody, look down in between the rocker arms there. That's not sludge, everybody. That's not oil residue or carbon. That's silicone. And here's your more indication right here. Silicone all over the back of the rocker arms. Let's grab the light again and have a look. There's some silicone or gasket material down inside the head. silicone on the rocker arms, the push rod guide plates. So you can see the silicone right there. Yeah. Okay. So let's keep going, everybody. Let's get these last couple of bolts off. Oh, that one's a little tight. Okay. Maybe we're running a little low on battery juice. Let's switch over to the ratchet and crack them loose. There we go. There comes one. There's another one. Well, at least they're not seized. They're just in there real good and tight. All right, so we got them broke loose. Hopefully the little DeWalt has enough juice left in it to buzz these out of there. And you guys are going to see this for the first time along with us. Alright, so let's take these bolts out. And this one has some gook or some silicone or something around it. Okay. Oop, let's get it in the camera. So it's got silicone or some kind of thread sealant around the threads. That's not good. Alright. So let's get us a little pry bar, little screwdriver here. And he's in there pretty rock solid. Might have to set you guys down for just a minute. This is kind of tough to do with one hand. Since we've already seen the silicone, we're going to put that back on. So give me just a sec, guys. I'm going to set you down so I can get this thing cracked loose. And we'll have us a look. Oh, well, well. Show you what we found. We found JB Weld and massive amounts of silicone down in behind the timing cover. We'll be back with part 2, guys. We're going to figure out a way to kind of knock this thing loose, get the JB Weld and the silicone loose, and then we'll be right back.